action. What's up, y'all? It's your girl DJ Zeta, and welcome back to DJ Zeta TV. Now, I know I ain't been on here in a very long time. I ain't did no DIYs with y'all in a very long time. But we back like we never left. All right, round of applause for me. Alright, I hope y'all been good or whatever. I got a lot going on with my new setup and shit. I know y'all can see it looks great right now, you know what I'm saying? Let me pull this damn tag. I can feel it on my neck. But anyway, today's video is a DIY Dermaplane facial. So wait a minute, hold up, wait a minute.
I am not a dermatologist and I am not an esthetician. I have no credentials for y'all to be taking this advice literally and then apply it to your regimen and then you fuck up your face. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. This works for me.
You can use this as like a guideline or something. I don't even want to say that because I don't even want nobody coming for me. Just watch this video for pure entertainment. Everything that I be using today, I'm gonna try to remember put it in the description so y'all know what I'm using. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm using too, but cause some of this shit I got off Amazon and I know y'all be wanting the links cause y'all don't want a nigga to gatekeep and stuff. So I'm gonna make sure I hook y'all up on that. If you've been to this channel, if you've been here for a minute, y'all know I deal with seborrheic dermatitis, and it's usually like in the hairline area, which I actually can see it. Yeah, look at there. It's just a little bit though. It's not bad. It's just getting cold. The weather's changing, so it's a little flare up. But I also deal with that on my face, in like my nose area. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, you can get a good look here. I have an oily T-zone. And I got a few blemishes on my face as well. So boom. But the skin don't look too bad. And these eyebrows is browsing. You know what I'm saying? They browsing. So we're going to get right on into it. This is my second time using this regimen. This Dermaplane. I'm going to do a whole lot. Well, not a whole lot. It's more than what I usually do. But yeah, so let's get started. Let me get my tunes going. I might talk to y'all in between, but we're going to see.
Damn, just pay made this. I just paid me that one.
And baby, I love the way you make me feel like I'm the only one in the world. Ain't nobody taking your place. You know I'm your girl. Been waiting for this life for so long. When I'm too far away, got a phone. Got a phone, yeah. It's Martian.
I'm absolutely infatuated with everything about you, baby. I be pressed to see you like every day, cause I need your love just like Trey was saying. No video games, cause I ain't playing, and you know it's right by your side. I'm staying like Siamese. I'm weak in my knees, got me singing to, you know, SWV. I can see myself with you for a real long time. Hope you fucking with me. If you keep it real with me, we can kick across the country, maybe fly overseas. Trying to get my back blown in Ibiza. Hard minute ago, man, I swear you a keeper. Experience with you, I swear that I need you. Got the keys to my heart, babe, no Alicia.
I love the way you make me feel like I'm the only one in the world. Ain't nobody taking your place. You know I'm your girl. Been waiting for this life for so long. When I'm too far away, got a phone. Got a phone, yeah. Switch up like the weather. Put you on game, how to love, now you on me like sweater. I swear they don't wanna see us be together. Like Desi, when y'all breaking up, I'm like never. Yeah, baby, this gon' be our new theme song. Running all through my mind all day long. Like all day long. Yeah, I'm loving you right. And they say that I'm wrong, but I can't help it, babe. When I look in your eyes, man, I love it so strong. Feeling like a soul tie. just know when it's right. Yeah, I love the way you make me feel like I'm the only one in the world. Ain't nobody taking your place. You know I'm your girl. Been made for this life for so long. When I'm too far away, got a phone. Got a phone, yeah. Oh yeah. So long, left so long, yeah. So long, so long, so long, so long, yeah, yeah. Left so long, oh yeah.
Alright, y'all. So I am done with the Dermaplane, and I ain't gonna hold you, my face feels so smooth right now. Alright, you guys, so right here I am showing y'all this contraption that I have here. It is basically my ice block that I use to ice my face. So I don't use regular water. I use aloe vera inner gel, inner fillet gel, or whatever it's called. And I mix a little bit of water in it, and I pour it through the top of that hole I just showed y'all, and then I stick it in the freezer, and it molds into this beautiful thing. For one, I ice my face because I feel like I have large pores, so I do it to shrink my pores on my cheeks areas, on my nose, and I also do it because it helps with the irritation after dermaplaning. So it's going to help soothe my skin. It also helps with dark marks. I've been seeing that they get lighter and lighter over time the more that I ice my face. I try to do this at least maybe 3 times a week. Listen, and we gonna work on trying to do this every time I wash my face, but hey, I'm doing what I can. Round 2 of icing, and I'm not gonna hold you, it leaves my skin soft every time I do this. It helps. Then I like to end all my skincare. After all I do with my face and stuff, I like to come back in with my crown butter. This is shea butter, whipped shea butter from Respect the Crown, I'm sorry. Y'all can kind of see it. I've been buying my shea butter from this particular company for about a year now. It's the only place I buy my stuff from, because it's the only place I trust. We like to throw that on my lips. Yep. And yeah, that's my regimen. My regime. That's how we're going. Hopefully we can work off these dark spots here. I will say, the road to a smooth and clear skin is what you eat, how much water you intake, and how well you take care of your skin routine, like your actual skin routine and how well you take care of your skin. Though without those 3 things, bro, your skin is going to be terrible. Based on what I see, and I know what my problems have been, I have not really been intaking a whole lot of as much water as I should. I say that. And then my eating habits just got better maybe about a month ago. Well, shit, starting this year. So your girl wasn't eating enough, and it all plays a part in it. And I was not drinking enough water. So we're starting a new leaf. So hopefully, as I continue to take this little journey with y'all and maybe do a skin update maybe every month, so I can keep up with how my skin is doing. Right now, I'm trying to be sure that I drink a liter of water a day and try to keep my diet as clean as possible. No fried foods. I try to stay away from fried foods. I don't eat pork at all, so I don't have to worry about that. So basically, like chicken, fish, shrimp, good carbs, healthy fats. That's what I've really been on lately, well, since the beginning of this year. And I work out 3 to 5 times a week. And I be sure to do my skin routine every day. If y'all have any questions, I guess drop them in the comment section. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Not a super long video, so I'm straight, quick, to the point. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to your girl's channel, like this video, and comment if y'all have any questions, concerns, or even advice that I can use to help my skin. Alright, y'all, thank y'all so much for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.